Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do the do. Okay, listen, we're going to be jumping right into this video, and it's going to be a get ready with me type of style. I actually don't have a lot of time to film this, so I kind of just want to sit back and relax and, you know, do my makeup and just chill, listen to some music type of thing. So I'm not going to be talking through this video. I do apologize, because talking, it really does slow you down. Like in reality, girls are just sitting there doing their makeup, maybe watching TV or listening to the radio or something like that. So I'm listening to some music. So I really do need to speed up today. I really, you know, I got things to do, and I really want to get this video up for you guys. So you're going to have to forgive me. Okay. Anyways, the hair. The hair is by Sophie. This is my second time to work with this company, and this is the second wig that they have sent. Well, if it's the second time you're working with them, it's the second wig, of course, like duh. Anyways, I do love this hair. It is 210% density. It is super full, and I decided to go for some tight type of curls, just, you know, full glamour today. I am going to be doing a colorful look. So yeah, but absolutely love the hair. You guys already know, if it ain't good hair, it ain't gonna make it on the channel. So make sure you check them out. All the information on this unit will be down in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the clip of me styling and applying, and come on back. Okay. So make sure you check them out. Everything will be linked down below for you. And shout outs to Soulfuels for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, boo-boo, let's zoom in because we finna get within. Okay, so let's jump right on into this video. Decided to do a voiceover because at first I was contemplating just to play some music over the video, but hey, here we are. This video is definitely going to be sped up for sure because I'm just chilling and I'm just doing my makeup and having a good time. And I absolutely loved how this look came out. Yeah, the look was bussin', okay? For all the products, I will have them list down below, and the links and stuff like that where you can get them. So yeah, let's just chit chat. What are we gonna chit chat about? I do notice that a lot of influencers, yeah, I want to talk about this. A lot of influencers have made the shift from doing YouTube videos to completely not doing YouTube videos, and they're just on Instagram and they're just on TikTok. And I'm not gonna lie, I have been contemplating on doing the same thing. And I feel like I know why they do it. One, many of them who have completely stopped doing YouTube videos also have a huge following on their other social media platforms, whereas I don't. But doing a little 30-second video, like a little 1-minute video, is a lot easier to edit down and just less stressful compared to doing YouTube and not pulling the type of views that you would want on YouTube. You know, on social media, on other social media platforms, I should say, it seems that the viewing is a lot more, what is the word? A lot more beneficial to the creator. Like, it's just easier for you to get views on other platforms, and it's actually quite hard to balance doing YouTube, IG, TikTok. I noticed that IG and TikTok go hand in hand. You just basically repost on each platform, especially when it comes to videos. You know, if you do like a little mini video on IG, you can repost it on TikTok and it can blow up on TikTok overnight. So I get where they are coming from, because I noticed like a lot of people have completely just stopped doing YouTube videos or has just slowed down tremendously. There are still a few big YouTubers who have continued to do YouTube videos, but it's just not as frequent basically. But I do notice that there are some girls that I used to love watching here on YouTube, and they just no longer, it's non-existent. Okay, forget about YouTube type of thing. But I completely get it, because it's actually quite hard juggling the two. You know, sometimes I sit here and I'm like, yo, I'm going to do this video and I'm also going to film little clips for IG so I can post on there, because my following here on YouTube is bigger than it is on IG and TikTok. You get what I'm saying? So it's hard for me to kind of give up YouTube, and still I get a lot of good business opportunities. Not a lot of good business opportunities, but I do get business opportunities here on TikTok, here on YouTube, compared to getting, you know, brand deals and stuff like that on other platforms. You get what I'm saying? I still do get the brand deals, but they're just not as, they're not willing to pay me as much as if I would sit down here as they would pay me for a YouTube video, basically. Can you get the words out, child? You is stumbling and fumbling. Maybe you need to go back to sleep. Yeah, so, you know, for me, and I actually still love doing these videos, and I feel like there's so many things that I have not done yet for YouTube, you know, so I don't want to give up YouTube right away. But there are days that it's just completely, you know, tempting. I'm just sitting here and, you know, telling you my thoughts, okay? Like, can a girl just sit down and talk with her friends? Like, you know, you get what I'm saying? Like, we just chit-chatting, okay, sis? Nothing is set in stone. But these are just my thoughts. You get what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I do have days where I'm like, am I wasting my time? Am I, you know, am I not doing enough? What do I need to do that I can make 1-minute videos and get paid a buttload of money? You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I just noticed that like people are really not making YouTube videos anymore. And quite frankly, I am not gonna lie to you, I am hardly ever on YouTube watching beauty videos. Like, when I come to YouTube, I'm watching the crime shows. Like, my attention is not in the beauty community because, well, I have been in the beauty community for a very long time. And even though it's called the beauty community, I am going to be very honest with you. It is actually a very ugly place. And I'm sure a lot of you already know that. You get what I'm saying? There's so many things that have taken place in the beauty community that just no longer makes it fun for some people. And for me especially, you know, I find people that I love and I watch them and then they just change, and change is good when change is for the better. You get what I'm saying? But a lot of them have just changed into really cocky, really over the top, just full of themselves. And I am just not that girl. You know, to each his own, but that's not for me. You get what I'm saying? I like to keep it, you know, I like to keep it 100. I can't be fake for the funk. I can't fake it. You see what I'm saying? I can't fake it for views. I can't fake it for what's the word I'm looking for? I swear the longer I live in Japan, the more I forget English. I'm not looking for approval from anyone. Like, I'm comfortable in my own skin and I don't have to kiss anybody's behind to fit in, you know, like it's all grouped up. And I feel like being grouped up is a good thing, actually. You know, like you have your little friends and, you know, I don't mean that in a bad way either, but you have your friends, people that you can relate to in your field and stuff like that. But I feel like it's just a bunch of yes men, and people, you know, only want to get to know you because of the following you have. Like, if you never had that following, they would not be interested in you. So for me, I just can't, you know, like I just can't become something I am not for the sake of, you know, appeasing people. I have never been that girl. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's just not for me. But yeah, there's a lot of people that have just completely changed for the worse. And yeah, I don't spend a lot of time in the beauty community, to be honest with you. You know, like I'm always on YouTube, don't get me wrong, but I watch a lot of blogs. Like, I love the vlogs, like I'm getting into the vlogs. And you know, I watch a lot of crime shows. Anyways, I just wanted to chit chat with you guys, like just share some of my thoughts. I know you guys love when I come in and share my thoughts. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video and we'll talk some more. All right. Okay guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking around. I know I didn't talk today, but like I said, I have things to do and you know, I really need, I'm rushing this one. Okay, so you have to forgive me. All right. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Okay, go ahead and like the video if you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Share the video because sharing is caring, and follow me on all of my social media platforms, which is TikTok, IG, everything's under my name. And yeah, comment down below. I want to hear from you guys. Take care of yourselves, and until the next video, I will see you guys really soon.